What's going on, guys and girls? We are on our way to a restaurant in Tazewell called the Front Porch on Main. Looks like it's in an old house, and they serve Southern cuisine. So let's go see what this is all about. This is, going way too fast. There we go. It's in Tazewell. House was built in 1899 by a doctor as his residence. Food is awesome. I had fried green tomatoes that I shared with the table because the two other people were from up north. And they never had them. I also had the steak, New York strip. Let's go upstairs. And the doctor had his practice next door. House got used as a funeral home. And then after that became a, she said, an asylum for people who weren't severely impaired, but impaired enough that they needed assistance. Some more of the history is that there was a lynching at one point in the backyard. A big tree. So check this out. So I come in and where's the biggest old tree? She said, yep, there it is. Something about the power lines. And they can't take that down. It's one of these two. You can't take it down because it's grown up into the power lines. I think it's that one. So we come in, and I told the rest of the people I'm with, don't talk so loud, you'll disturb the ghost. And that's when I asked about the house, and then she, I guess 1901, she said 1899. And she talked about the ghost. How interesting. Look at this wood floor. I don't know if it's all original. Sounds like it is. Oh, beautiful home. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Used to be all the fireplaces worked. Oh, so gorgeous. Sorry if I look like I'm moving too fast. Oh, it's just stuff. Oh, let's see. Here in Princeton. 1902. What's up, man?
We found her keys. So,
Good.
Yeah, I just wanted to take a little tour.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. If you are in Tazewell, Virginia, this place, the Front Porch on Main Street. Hey, when we head out, let's ride towards downtown just to see what it looks like. It is gorgeous. Thank you, house. Interesting. Oh, look at this house on the right. Gorgeous. Taylor. Sheriff's office and 911 center. Looks like it used to be the school. It says School Road. We saw that family while we were eating with their doggy. 1889 J.A. Griever, 1914. The love things are for, oh, Juneteenth celebration. Oh, Bank of Clinch Valley. Masonic building. There's the Front Porch on Main. United States Post Office. Very nice. Wild Rose, Edder's Greenhouse.